Okay, now we are going to show you how to replace the needle thread. First thing, we have to turn off the power and move the screen to the end. Let's turn off the power. You have to remove this screw because when you are taking out this assembly in this case, the screw will kind of like stuck in there. Okay, remove these two screw covers. Losing it, and you're using the screwdriver. You're using these two screws. Okay, now we can remove the cover. Okay, now you can see here we can use a one metal. This is a needle thread controller, so you can move it. This is red, right? Move down to here, and you can see from the bottom the needle thread will go down. Let's show you again. You see, I press down to the half, and we just match this cover one, and you will see the needle thread is coming. So you can have a little bit space without disassembly all the covers. And now you can see this is a needle threader, right? The best way to do that is remove the needle first. Let's remove the needle. Let's remove the thread. Remove it. Okay, that's it. Okay, now we are focused on this, right? Did you see that? There's a gap. Over here, you see that? That's a lock the needle threader. So you just open it a little bit and push to the left side. Have to move a little bit. You see that's already coming out, right? And because we didn't open the case, so we have a limited space for here. So just keep moving, and right now you just need to move this bar a little bit to the right hand side, so that way you can remove the needle threader. But make sure there's a spring in between. Keep that spring inside so you won't lose it. Okay, then remove a little bit more, so you got a space you can take it out, right? So that's a needle threader. Now we are put it back. Okay, so put it back is the same thing. First thing, you have to match these two positions, so you have to put it back like this, right? Be careful because right now it's easy to falling. So you can just keep pushing, and also right hand side you can push this to its original position, and push until you see that locked. So it locked here. So that means you're already safe in here. Okay, double check that. Push a little bit. No, it's not coming out. So that's correct. Try not to bend anything out here or too hard to force it to bend to one direction, because that maybe will change the correct position. So right now we already replaced it. So let's go back to the top. You just need to move this metal to the top, and that's it. So let's see again. If we are going to here, you can see the needle threader. When I pull it up, this will back to the normal position, right? And it's time to assemble it back. This case is very tricky, so you have to 90 degree, and then you follow this one, and now it's okay. So you just need to follow here, and then you can put it back. Don't try to do it like from here because you have no angle to push in. You just need to follow this little green. Okay, easy to put it back. Make sure it's stuck because it has a small little hook on the. Now using the screwdriver, screw the screw stack. The second one. Now the cover, screw cover. And don't forget to put the spring screw. That one. And open machine here. It's time to test the needle threader. And then previously we removed the needle, right? So we need to put it back. This is the tool you replace the needle or remove needle. Just do it like that. Make sure flat part is going to the end, facing to the end. And using the Allen key. Make sure the needle is pushed all the way to the top. And tighten it. How to check that? You can check in here. See the square, and you will see the top of the needle is touching the metal of the needle bar inside. Yeah, that's the right precision. And we are going to test the needle shredder for on the machine and try to press the needle shredder, and then we can try to shred it. You can see it close. Okay. So now, usually on the machine instruction, they will show you how to do this. It's like this one, right? Put it down and then go to here. That's how you shred it. And then press the needle shredder again. So you can see right now the needle shredder is working normal. Okay. But usually when we are going to do this, you don't have time to looking for the tool. How do you do that? You can just go ahead to do this. So look at my fingers. You just press down needle bar and then using the right hand finger, and that's the way we're doing the stitches. That's the way we're doing that without the tool. For us, because we are using this machine over 10 years, so we already get used to it, just like that. You can see how fast it is. And instead of you looking for the threading tool, you can just using finger. Press it down, and you can do it, right? So that's everything I show you today.